In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your billing address in MyO2. So providing you have the MyO2 app downloaded onto your phone, go into your MyO2 app, and along the bottom you've got a few different options. You've got start account, offers and support. Tap on support. In here you want to go to the top option, which is manage your account. Now in here you want to tap on the top option again, which is manage my personal details. Now what we're going to do is scroll down to the address details, and we are going to hit edit. We are going to type in our new address and our door number, and then we're going to hit find address. Whenever you have found the address that is applicable to you, just hit the confirm and continue button. It's going to say we need to do a security check, so they want to send you a verification code. Select your mobile number and hit continue. Now we just need to wait. There will be 2 text messages coming through. The first text message is not going to give you the code, so wait until the second message comes through, and when it does come through, it'll give you a code. You'll want to enter this code into here where it says what is the code. So let's just wait on the second message, and we enter that in and we hit continue. Now we'll scroll down and we can see that our address has now been changed on our contract, and that's how easy it is to change your address on your O2 account.